There is one move so powerful, so devastating, that no argument, no revenge, no anger can ever match it. It costs you nothing. It requires no words. And yet, it breaks people in ways they never fully recover from. That move is your silence. Most people believe that power comes from speaking louder, fighting harder, or having the last word. They are wrong. The most powerful people in history understood something the rest of the world never figured out. That silence is not weakness. Silence is control. And control is everything. When someone disrespects you, insults you, or tries to provoke you, your instinct screams at you to react, to defend yourself, to prove them wrong. But here is what they are not telling you. The moment you react, you hand them exactly what they want. Your reaction is their reward. Your anger is their victory. Your words are their ammunition. But when you go silent, you take everything from them. They expected a fight. They prepared for your anger. They rehearsed their responses to your words. And instead, you gave them nothing. Nothing is the most terrifying thing you can give someone who wanted a reaction. Here is what happens inside the mind of someone who cannot get a reaction from you. First, confusion. They do not understand why you are not responding. This alone is deeply unsettling to the human mind. Second, anxiety. The silence forces them to fill the space with their own thoughts, and those thoughts are never kind to them. They begin to question themselves. Did I go too far? Do they even care about me anymore? Why aren't they reacting? Third, obsession. This is where the real damage happens. They cannot stop thinking about you. Not because you said something powerful, but because you said nothing at all. Psychologists call this the uncertainty effect. The human brain is wired to seek resolution. When there is no response, no closure, no reaction, the brain enters a loop. It keeps returning to the unanswered question. And you, without lifting a finger, live in their head, rent-free. Now let me be clear about something. This is not about being cold. This is not about being cruel. This is about understanding where your energy belongs. Use silence when someone disrespects you repeatedly. Not once, repeatedly. People who respect you do not need to be told twice. Use silence when someone is trying to manipulate you emotionally. Manipulators feed on your reactions. Starve them. Use silence when someone is testing your patience to see how much they can get away with. Your silence tells them, this is as far as you go. Use silence when words have already failed. You have explained, you have communicated, and nothing changed. Then silence is your final message, and it speaks louder than everything you have ever said. Silence is a skill, and like any skill, it must be practiced. Start small. The next time someone says something that triggers you, pause. Just 3 seconds. Breathe. Choose your response instead of reacting to your emotion. Then practice not explaining yourself. You do not owe anyone an explanation for your decisions, your boundaries, or your choices. The more you explain, the more you invite debate. Silence closes the conversation. Then practice disappearing, not forever, but periodically. Go quiet on social media. Stop being available to everyone all the time. Let your absence remind people of your presence. The world is full of noise. Everyone is talking, posting, arguing, reacting. Be the exception. Be the one who moves in silence and lets results do the talking. Because the loudest person in the room is rarely the most powerful. The most powerful person in the room is the one you cannot quite figure out. Silence is not giving up. Silence is not losing. Silence is the language of the truly powerful. The moment you master it, everything changes. If this hit different for you, subscribe, because what we talk about here is not motivation. It is a completely different way of seeing the world. I will see you in the next one.